Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jess. If you're trying to make your English sound more natural, fluent, and fun, this video is definitely for you.
Today we're talking about something that can really level up your English. Idioms.
Idioms are those crazy little expressions that don't make much sense if you translate them word for word, but they make you sound like a native speaker.
Exactly. Like, if I say it's a piece of cake, I don't actually mean dessert, right?
Right. Unless you're offering me cake, in which case, I'll take 2 slices.
Not this time. But we are going to serve you 10 super common idioms that native speakers use in everyday conversations, at work, with friends, even in movies and songs.
So if you've ever felt confused when someone says something weird like spill the beans or hit the sack, stay with us, we'll explain it all.
And by the end of this video, you'll not only understand these idioms, you'll be able to use them with confidence.
So grab your notebook, get comfy, and let's dive in.
Let's do it! The first one is, break the ice.
Break the ice. Wait, are we talking about using a hammer or going ice skating?
Haha, nope, no hammer or skates involved. Break the ice means to start a conversation in a friendly way, especially when things feel awkward or when people don't know each other yet.
Oh, like that first sentence we say to break the tense atmosphere, like, "Hi, it's hot today, isn't it?"
Exactly. Or when someone cracks a joke at the beginning of a meeting to make everyone relax.
Got it. So it's like, he told a funny story to break the ice before the presentation.
Perfect. That's a great way to make people feel more comfortable and avoid that awkward silence. Alright, moving on. Our second idiom is one that students definitely need to know, hit the books.
Hit the books? Seriously? What did the books do to deserve that?
Poor books, right? But don't worry, no violence involved. Hit the books is just an informal way to say study hard.
So like when you have a test coming up and you need to dive into studying?
Exactly. Like, I have an exam tomorrow, so I really need to hit the books tonight.
Makes sense. So it's not just opening the book, it's like sitting down and really focusing.
Yes. No phone, no distractions, just you, your books, and maybe a gallon of coffee.
Okay, mental note. Next time I say I'm gonna hit the books, people won't think I'm throwing them across the room. Alright, what's next?
Next up, we've got a super common one, under the weather.
So like, standing outside in the rain without an umbrella?
That would be uncomfortable, but no, under the weather actually means you're feeling sick or unwell.
Oh, so when someone says that, it has nothing to do with weather?
Exactly. It has nothing to do with the weather forecast. It's just a more casual, idiomatic way to say you're not feeling good physically.
So I could say something like, I didn't go to class today because I was feeling under the weather?
Perfect. That's exactly how natives would use it.
Good to know. Because I've definitely heard people say that and I thought, why are they blaming the weather for everything?
Now you know, next time someone says they're under the weather, offer them some tea, not sunscreen. Alright, ready for the next one?
Always. What's idiom number 4?
This one might make you hungry, it's a piece of cake.
Oh, finally. Are we talking about dessert now? Because I love cake.
I knew you'd say that. But no, in this case, we're not talking about food. When something is a piece of cake, it means it's super easy.
Oh, so like when you do something effortlessly?
Exactly. Like, that math test was a piece of cake. Or learning English is a piece of cake when you watch our videos.
Nice plug. But yeah, it makes sense. So, next time something's easy, instead of saying that was easy, I can just say that was a piece of cake. Unless the idiom is literally about cake, which I'm still hoping happens.
I'll let you know when we do an episode on dessert idioms. Alright, halfway through. Idiom number 5 is spill the beans.
Wait, beans? What do beans have to do with anything?
I know it sounds weird, right? But spill the beans means to reveal a secret, sometimes by accident.
Oh. So like when you say something you shouldn't have?
Exactly. Imagine someone trying to keep a surprise party a secret, but then they say something like, "Don't forget the cake for Saturday." And the birthday person is right there.
Oops. That's spilling the beans.
Yep. Like, she spilled the beans about the surprise wedding.
Wow, that sounds dramatic.
It can be. So if someone tells you a secret, just be careful not to spill the beans.
Noted. So, can I spill the beans about the next idiom?
Only if you promise it won't ruin a surprise party.
Okay, next idiom. And please tell me it doesn't involve any more beans.
No beans this time, promise. This one's about money, it's cost an arm and a leg.
Wait, you're telling me something costs body parts? That sounds painful and expensive.
Yeah. But don't worry, it's just an expression. When we say something costs an arm and a leg, it means it's really expensive.
Oh, like when you see the price of a new cell phone and think, I need to sell a kidney.
Exactly. For example, that new iPhone costs an arm and a leg.
Or, I wanted to buy concert tickets, but they cost an arm and a leg.
Perfect. It's a fun way to exaggerate how expensive something is, especially when you're shocked by the price.
Good to know. Although honestly, sometimes it does feel like we're paying with limbs.
Right? Just wait until you see how much rent is in some cities. Then you'll know the real meaning of this idiom. Alright, moving on. Idiom number 7 is one I personally love, hit the sack.
Hit the sack? That sounds aggressive. Are we punching pillows now?
Not quite. Hit the sack is just a casual way to say go to bed or go to sleep.
Oh, okay. So it has nothing to do with violence, just sleep?
Exactly. Like, I'm so tired, I'm gonna hit the sack early tonight.
Nice. So instead of saying I'm going to bed, I can just say I'm gonna hit the sack.
Yep. It sounds more natural and relaxed, something native speakers say all the time.
I like it. So after a long day of studying, I hit the books, then I hit the sack.
Yep. It sounds more natural and relaxed, something native speakers say all the time.
Love that. I might hit the sack right after this video.
Alright, let's keep it going. Idiom number 8 is let the cat out of the bag.
Wait, what? Who put a cat in a bag in the first place?
I know, it sounds strange. But don't worry, no cats were harmed. This idiom means to accidentally reveal a secret or surprise.
So it's kind of like spill the beans?
Exactly. They have a similar meaning. But let the cat out of the bag usually means it slipped out without meaning to.
Got it. So like, I let the cat out of the bag when I told her about the surprise trip.
Perfect example. You weren't supposed to say anything, but you did, and the secret's out.
I can totally relate. I'm horrible at keeping surprises.
Then this idiom is made for you. Just try not to let any more cats out of bags, okay?
No promises, but I'll try.
Alright, almost there. Idiom number 9 is bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet? That sounds painful. Why would anyone do that?
Yeah, it does sound intense. But don't worry, it's just an expression. To bite the bullet means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding, but you know it needs to be done.
Like facing the music?
Exactly. It's about facing a tough situation with courage.
Okay, so like, I didn't want to go to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet.
That's a perfect example. You weren't excited about it, but you did it anyway because it had to be done.
Or like when you finally start your homework at midnight, and just accept your fate.
Yep. Sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and get it over with.
Alright. I'll bite the bullet and fold my laundry tonight.
Good luck with that one. The last one is, the ball is in your court.
Sounds sporty. Are we playing tennis now?
Kind of. This idiom actually comes from sports, especially tennis, but it's used in everyday life to mean it's your turn to make a decision or take action.
So when someone already did their part, and now it's up to you.
Exactly. For example, I told her how I feel, now the ball is in her court.
Makes total sense. Like, my boss gave me the job offer, now the ball is in my court.
Perfect. It's a way of saying, it's your move now.
I like that. It sounds more fun than just saying, it's up to you.
Totally. And hey, now the ball is in your court, viewers.
Yeah. We gave you 10 awesome idioms, now it's your turn to practice. Pick your favorite and write a sentence in the comments. Wow, that was awesome. I had no idea there were so many fun idioms in English.
Right? And we just covered 10, there are hundreds more.
I feel like now I'll actually understand more of what people say in movies or TV shows. Like when they say, I'm gonna hit the sack, now I know they're just going to bed.
Exactly. That's why learning idioms is so important, they're everywhere in real conversations.
Okay, let's see if I remember. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret.
Nice! And what about bite the bullet?
Do something difficult even if you don't want to?
Perfect! You're really getting the hang of this.
Thanks. And now it's your turn, people watching this, can you use one of these idioms in a sentence?
We challenge you. Pick your favorite idiom from today's video and write a sentence using it in the comments. Let's see how creative you can be.
And hey, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that little bell so you never miss a lesson.
Also, share this video with a friend who's learning English, maybe you can practice these idioms together.
Or just spill the beans and tell everyone how cool this channel is.
Good one! Alright everyone, thanks for watching.
Keep practicing, and remember, learning English can be a piece of cake if you have fun with it.
See you in the next video. Take care and don't forget to hit the books.